subscribe kuri hustleyangushowkgl.
bakore subscribe kuri
hustleyangushowkgl.
bari bari kumwe nande
na Gentille on the beat.
Okay, peace.
Yes.
This is the first time to come here, so I like to show you these new places. This is for Muslims. So here the place called the Nyamirambo.
Namirambo.
Nyamirambo.
That's why so much cars being.
Yes, it's a different places. Like it's the place which is very totally different from other places in Rwanda.
Yes, I see.
So I was like to show you the place. What is the name again?
Narimambo.
Nyamirambo. Biryogo. Biryogo.
What?
Biryogo.
Biryogo.
Yes. This is the most. This is the most Muslims. No, it's not the house. That is the mosque.
Mosque.
Yes. Yes, mosque for Muslims. So I like to show you around this place. This mosque is called Medina. Medina. It is other they call it Gaddafi Mosque. I think you remember Gaddafi, the president.
Yes.
Yes, he's the one who building this. So up there you see small ramps.
Yes.
It's another place called the Kimisagara. Kimisagara. So this place, it's based with Muslims. So you can, but not. It's not like other places. Everywhere you're gonna meet people drinking beer. Here, their culture is drinking tea.
Yes, I know.
And chapat, they eat chapat
It's the same at home.
at home.
Yes, they're the mosque. They don't drink alcohol.
Oh, so this is our bus, our town bus, and everywhere here there is many stuff going on, many businesses going on, and you're gonna see many people. It's Friday, right? Today it's Friday, and the Muslims they pray from Friday, and yes, they pray from Friday. That's why, like this man here is wearing this. Yes. So people, maybe guys, it's a long time we don't see Biryogo, Nyamirambo. I like to give you this tour so that you can see so far how is Biryogo. So remember guys, if you are new, remember to subscribe to hustleyangushowkgl. And really please, I am very serious on this, and I'm gonna be here to stay. So guys, keep in touch, keep in tune, and tell them to subscribe.
Please subscribe my husband's page on YouTube.
Which one?
Oh my gosh. Hustle. I can't.
hustleyangushowkgl. So everywhere there, It's a business place where people they selling thing. Check out. They selling thing as other places. So here, this place, it is mostly based on Muslims, and also you can find bars here. You can find somewhere to drink beer, but it is not so much as other places in Kigali. And it is the place where you can find special wearing like clothes, like star clothes. Look, it's very big. So this is the way to Tapi. There is another place there called the Tapi Rouge.
Tapi
Rouge, Tapi Rouge, it's like red carpet.
Tapi Rouge.
Yes, and here there is another mosque there. I don't know how to call it is called. It's another one. Here you can find many, and people, guys, there. That street goes down. It's going to Chimisagara, the place called the Mutwe, Kwa Mutwe. So I know many people know this place, but when I doing this kind of video, I like maybe it is wrong time you are not coming on this place, and it is your time to enjoy relaxing on your free time, so that you can know what's going on. Maybe you miss the press. So that is the important of this video. So I like to take you guys in the car-free zone over here. I don't gonna go so far there, but I like to give you this little tour from Nyamirambo, Biryogo. The other place there, it's called it is called Gikondo. So everywhere on this street, it is a clothing shop, style shop, and this place is the most you can have unusual clothes, so that you can't find other places. There is a barber shop like other places, but many of them they selling clothes. And how do you find the place?
Beautiful, many people.
What do you see now so far? What do you see as the different of other places?
It's so many people, many Muslims,
Many mosques. So when you are here, you need to be careful, right?
Oh my God, yes.
You need to be careful because you need to watch out because of many people.
Exactly.
Yes. So I'm gonna take you another place here. One day I'll show the people that place, but I like to take you there too, and you can have some enjoyment from there.
Yes.
But the tea they making, I am sure you can't drink it.
I don't know.
It is very heavy with ginger So let's try to enter from this side. Okay. Now we're going to this place called Car Free Zone. This is the place. Yes, you can't here. Before it was a street and it was passing cars, but now they break it. They break everything so that people they can come and enjoy the place. Let's take a tour. Hello. Let's take a tour here. You don't gonna find people drinking beer. Everyone is drinking tea, water, soda only. Yes. But I think the busy place it's up. Normally they have music, but I don't know why today it is like this. You like to try tea? No, why? You can try.
No, baby. Because if I don't like it, I'm gonna lose money. So no.
You can like it.
No.
But I like you to try. It's honey and lemon.
So I don't feel it to drink tea.
Let's pass this way, and then we're gonna come back where we was started, so we can check other. Can check. They are very crazy. So this is Biryogo.
It's very warm.
Biryogo.
In Kigali, there we was. It's not so warm like here.
Warm
Yes, it's
because here many people they are cooking. They are cooking. Caritas. So let's pass this way. Everyone here, it's crazy.
To driving, yes.
So this place up there, it's beautiful. There. Everyone is crazy here. And guys, this is street here, Biryogo. They are new, maybe 2 years, 3 years, and look everywhere, all the time. It's green. Everywhere in Rwanda, it's green. This like this plastic thing, I don't know. It's here now, but yes, but tomorrow you can't find them. So people, they always sitting here drinking tea. We can pass by here and go that way again, going up. So look how it is. They painting in the street colors. It is like water, right? But how many cups people can have? I think this is a dustbin.
3, 4.
3, 4. I can't drink more than one. Look, family they come.
You're used with that.
Yes. They eat chocolate. They drink tea.
I'm gonna turn around.
Yes, why not? It's a beautiful. This is the place I was telling you. Oh, Wait, we are just looking. We're gonna come back.
You may come back here.
Yeah.
This is this place.
Yes. Yes. We're gonna come. Guys, she didn't like Biryogo to sit there, and maybe she can have something there. So I bring her here at the Cafe Zone Remera. So I gonna take her here, but it's not a busy place like before, as I told you. It's very short and it's small. So guys, we are here at the Gisment. Look the other this. They say no, they're giving out condom. You remember?
Yes, I remember.
Oh my God. This kind of music, it's bad. I'm gonna show you that woman, the white woman here. I don't know if she's the one who's selling there, and she was in this shop. No, the shop? Yes, it was this one. She's not there. Maybe she was with someone. Do you think this is it? Or we can go and sit there? No. Let's see another place where we can sit. Or we can just go and see around, and then we can sit somewhere. So this is the place, guys. I like to show her how it is the press. This is the Gisment. There they don't have music. They don't drink beer. So, but this place also it's boring. You remember first videos I was doing? It was a busy place. And now it is not busy. It is not really busy like before. And how do you see the place?
I'm gonna be honest, it's more calm here, not the same that there.
Oh yes. Before it was very, very, very busy, not like now. And this is maybe because of economy these days. It's not good. And we're gonna come back.
If you buy, you can give me shares.
Yeah.
See me here as my customer. Or here in a big house, as fast. Inside your box, and you can go there and inside there.
Okay.
Yeah.
When we come back, we're gonna see you. urabona nk'ibi nakubwiraga nyine uburyo igabanya impanuka. Hari nk'umuntu w'umuswa uza hano ugasanga ari nko muri gatatu, Agenda sitasi. Wowe uko byagenda kose aho wafatira umuriro hose uvamo.